1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you had time to skip the ads and all that good stuff. We got Crypto Rockets here, Nufo, Stock Market Junkie, Mike Ling, and Stock Market Junkie again. Yes, guys, today is a down day. It's alright, though. We see red days, we see green days, and a lot of people have been able to get in and buy the dip on this one. Adam, how was your lunch, man? Hopefully it was good. I'm sure I've been missing a lot of money from day trading because I have been holding this stock. Hey, Stock Market Junkie. Yeah, man, there's always an opportunity cost to everything you do. And holding AMC, it ties some money up, and you could have been day trading. But here's the deal as well, man. A lot of day traders, it looks nice when you see all the gains you could have been having. But a lot of day traders, man, they don't tell you about the losses. And you know that losses are out there. So don't just think that you could have made money. You could have also lost money day trading as well. So I wouldn't be terribly concerned about it. Tom P, hello, hello, hello. There he is again. What's going on, Tom P? How you doing? Raheem, I'm buying 100 shares every time it drops by $1. This is my strategy until it climbs by $2. All right, Raheem, I like it. SSR tomorrow? Yes, correct. King Shum NG. SSR the rest of the day, and SSR tomorrow as well. David Isbell. Claybro, our voice of reason. What is going on, David? How you doing, man? Hello, fam. What's going on, DD214? How was your lunch? Hopefully it was good. AMC currently trading at $39.12 per share. Down, what is it down on the day? 11.5%. Man! It is a rough day for AMC, guys, but hopefully we've got some support coming in at 38.50. Remember how 38.50 was a very strong level of resistance a couple of weeks ago? Hopefully now it holds up to be a very strong level of support, and they're unable to break through that line. I'm feeling pretty good about this line right here, knowing how strong it was to break above that line. So I'm feeling pretty strong about that on the way down. I day traded once or twice in my stock market lifetime. It wasn't terrible, but the reason I didn't do it more than twice is because I lost literally all of my money in those two small transactions. Sam, now that is the voice of reason, man. That right there is the voice of reason. Yes, you could lose all of your money day trading, even though it's once or twice. Short is covered a bit. Mike, you know what? I don't know if shorts have covered a bit. So if you're out there looking at the short interest, it doesn't seem like they're borrowing very many shares today or returning very many shares. I think it was about 1 million returned and like 200,000 or something that were borrowed today. So it doesn't seem like there's a ton of action going on, at least according to Ortex, right? Hopefully my options pick up down a lot. Still holding my shares and calls. What is this? Shibri? Chibri? However you say your name. Very sorry for hacking that up. Yes, I hope that everybody, if you've got options, clearly you've got shares, I hope that everybody withstands the red days and we can see the green days again. I know when we see red, it's easy to think, this stock's never going to turn around. This stock's never going to turn around. It's just going to go down forever. But we know that's not the case, right? We know that's not the case. We could have an entire month run up like we did recently when we went from $29 per share all the way up to $52, $53 per share. So just because it's red today doesn't mean, and maybe it's red tomorrow, it doesn't mean that the green days are over with. Keep up the good work, bro. Thank you very much, Chris. I appreciate that. Do you think we hit rock bottom? Joseph, I do believe that 38 is going to be a very strong level of support. Now, for rock bottom, you know, I don't know, man. We could break through it if they continue with the selling pressure and so on. But I do believe we've got a strong level of support here. And I base that on the fact that it was very difficult to break above it. So now it may hold up as strong support. Nothing's guaranteed, right? So we don't know how strong it's actually going to be. But I base that on the fact that it was very difficult to break through to the upside. So hopefully it's the same way to the downside. I'm red AF, but I'm buying more in the low 30s. LFG. Joe! Good deal, man. Yes, everybody... We're red today. Everybody is extremely red today. I mean, my watch list, the only thing green is that ATER stock. It was up roughly like 6-7% before I came back on here. It was up 12 or 13 to 15% earlier today, like 12.75, 12.79 or something like that. And now it's back down a little bit. But it's the only green thing in my watch list, and everything is down 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10%. It's a very tough day for the market, guys. Whole market is red, and then the problem with the China market, so no worries. Yes, everything will recover and recoup. Nothing goes down forever unless the company goes bankrupt. And AMC is not going bankrupt. Is the type of guy to volunteer. I did not see what DeBryan or whoever it was saying. Must have been deleted or hidden or something. Talk about a test of buy and hold, hoping for turnaround Tuesday. Man, you know what's only thing's better than Taco Tuesday? Turnaround Tuesday. Taco Tuesday, yes, you get to eat tacos, but you get to spend money. Turnaround Tuesday, you make money. Only 12 likes. Come on, guys. This is a stock channel, but we don't gotta like the stock price action to give Clay a like. Danny DeVito is the only one who can control the price, not Clay. So hit the like button. This is true, guys. I know that I put the lines on the chart, and sometimes it looks like I can control the price of the stock. But unfortunately, I cannot control the price of the stock. If I could, I would be a hedge fund, because you guys, everybody thinks that hedge funds control the price of the stock, which they can't either. Nobody can control the price of the stock, so just know that it's not my fault it's going down. Don't forget to click the like button. Thank you very much, Sam. I appreciate that. Clay, you were awesome, but nothing beats Taco Tuesday. Well, listen, I kind of agree with that, and I knew that I was overstepping my boundaries when I said that the only thing that beats Taco Tuesday is Turnaround Tuesday. But think about it, man. Turnaround Tuesday, you've got those tendies that you can spend on tacos. So it's like free Taco Tuesday if we also get a Turnaround Tuesday. Apes forever, Poppy. Absolutely. Azim Morgan dying. I'm up over 300%. Yes, 300%. Clay, bro, why is AMC dying today? What's happening, brother? Azim, listen, everything is getting beat. Everything is getting beat today. So it's not just exclusive to AMC, man. I wouldn't worry too much about it. The market, the overall market does not go down forever. We could see a pullback. We could see a correction. We could see a crash. You are right. But it does not mean that it's going to be red forever. We will turn around and we will go back up. Are you not a hedge fund? Oh, no. Maybe I exposed too much today. I might be a hedge fund. I don't know the rules to start a hedge fund. I think you have to have, like, if you start to manage over 10 people's savings and you have to have like $100 million under management or something. I forget what the rules are to actually have a hedge fund. But dude, you need a ton of money under management, and you need several clients in order to become a hedge fund. So no, I'm not a hedge fund. Old tip, you're up 300%. Yeah, I don't even know what percentage I'm up right now. So whatever $13 cost basis gets you to whatever $39 per share. A lot of us are up, man. If you got in early, I don't know, AMC is down 25% in 1 week. Any idea why? Yeah, so a lot of stuff's going on right now. The overall market, a lot of people are talking the market might be falling. People are talking about the debt ceiling not getting extended. People are talking about Evergrande in China. And almost certainly it's going to depend on which news source you go to discover why the market is going down. They're going to take one of those stories and they're going to tell you that's why the market's going down today. Look, guys, this is not the first time that Congress is going to be locking heads with each other, and they're going to be demanding more money, and they're going to be threatening each other, and so on. This is not the first time that a real estate firm has gotten in over their heads. This is not the first time China's economy has potential headwinds, and it's all happened before. It'll all happen again. Everybody's going to be doing okay. Turnaround Tuesday beats Taco Tuesday. After this Monday, I can't get tacos because I'm poor, but when the tables turn, not only will we have money, but we will have tacos on the recently rearranged tables. Yes, we will, man. And those tacos are going to be delicious. If my family's listening right now, are we doing Taco Tuesday tonight, or what's the deal? Because I'm hungry. I did have chicken for lunch, but I'm still hungry. Hey, Matt, not going anywhere. In this for the long haul. Keep up the great work. Jason, thank you very much. You may be on the wrong channel because I'm not Matt. Matt Kors is another guy. You may have accidentally clicked on my live stream, but Jason, welcome here, man. Glad to have you. And maybe I could just call you Jared. I mean, I know it's close to Jason, but either way, man, Matt could be a compliment. Dude's got 10 times the amount of subscribers I've got. We buy, we strong. Absolutely mentally disturbed. Just that is forbidden knowledge between Clay and Nickelback. I did not see what Just had to say, but yes, it is forbidden. How many shares do you own, Clay? Just, It is forbidden knowledge, only for me and Nickelback to know. No, I do own shares, man. I just, I don't know. I don't disclose my portfolio. I don't disclose my net worth. I don't disclose how much I do or don't owe on my house and all of that stuff. Oh, very sorry, Clay. Jason, you're good, dude. You're good. You know I was messing with you, right? Hey, Clay, do your realistic price go up the longer this goes on or stays the same? What's your realistic price? Yeah, JB Nemesis, man. Here's the deal, okay? When you say the longer it goes on, it doesn't necessarily mean the higher my price is. I do know the longer this goes on, a lot of people are going to be weeded out, okay? A lot of people are going to lose hope, and a lot of people are going to give up. That's exactly what the hedge funds want. So knowing that, one of two things would have to occur. One, the true apes, the true people who believe in the squeeze, will be the ones remaining and holding the shares and watching it squeeze. Or we'll just get another round of FOMO buyers who we dip down and all the people who can't handle it end up getting out. And then the people who were like, dang, I should have got into AMC back at the end of May when it was trading at $25. I could have been rich. We may see them jump in. So we may see a shift in the people holding, or we may just weed it out so everybody who's on for a squeeze owns the shares. So knowing that, if everybody who owns the shares is on for the squeeze, I would say we could see higher prices. If everybody just trades hands and we get it like a new batch of potential apes in here, I would keep it the same, man. Dow down almost 1,000 points. Yeah, Dow's getting ripped today. Everything, all the major indices were down over 2% the last time I looked. Jared, this is Clay Thaniel. You may recognize him from Tarzan, of perhaps even from the local Amish community. Dude makes amazing butter. I don't like to toot my own horn, man. But if butter churning sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. How did you teach yourself so much about the stock market? Nafis, good question. Think about it this way, man. I'm not into sports. I'm not into video games. I'm not into a lot of stuff that a lot of people spend a lot of time on, okay? You can talk to a lot of people, and you might be one of them. There's some guys out there that can tell you every single stat and fact about football, baseball, basketball. You know, maybe they have a sport that's their specialty or whatever, but they know it because they love it. They go out there. It's what they do every day. They check ESPN and whatever other sports section people are checking these days and so on. It's clear that they've got a passion for sports, and it shows in their knowledge. Video games, man. Some people can tell you not only about all the bugs that are in the video game and the creator and why it was created and in the universe the video game takes place in, but potential expansion packs and every character and every backstory to every character. So, you know, they don't spend a lot of time maybe in the stock market, but they know everything there is to know about video games. Think of it like that, man. Think of it like that. It's just whatever you surround yourself with on a daily basis, you should have some sort of an understanding with what's going on in that. Clay is losing some more hairs today. Nathan J. Never lose any hairs, man. Okay, serious question. What exactly is a point? I've always heard them say that this is many points up or down and never asked just in case. Okay, yeah, so if you're talking about a point, like, are we talking about the Dow and NASDAQ and S&P 500? If that's what you're talking about, man, it's not referenced in dollars because you can't actually go out and buy the Dow. You can't actually go out and buy the S&P 500. You'd have to go out and buy an ETF that tracks one of those indexes. So they measure those in points. So it's down 1,000 points today because Dow's at like 34,000 or so, somewhere around there today. It's not measured in dollars, it's just measured in points. So if that's what you're talking about, it's measured in points because it's just not something you buy, so it's not a dollar amount. Hey, what do you think about tomorrow? What do you think will tomorrow bring? Sean, man, I hope that tomorrow is a rebound day. I hope everybody just is sitting on the sidelines today, letting the action take place, and then we get a bunch of rebound buyers come in tomorrow because the market was down 2-3%, whatever it ends down today, and everything's on like a 10% discount. So we get a lot of guys who jumped out today or a lot of guys who are sitting on the sidelines jump in tomorrow and we see a rebound. That's my hope. Will it happen? I don't know. Clay, did you just challenge me to list all the video game characters of the Legend of Heroes, Trails of Cold Steel? Joan de Jesus. Yes, I did, man. Yes, I did. Because, one, I don't even know what that game is. Two, I could not name a single character in that game because I don't even know what the game is. So that's what I'm saying, man. You guys may have an extensive knowledge in something that you don't even know about or that you don't think about on a daily basis. But because you surround yourself with it all the time, you know everything that goes on with it. Clay, I have some of your crumbs, Clay. Or can I have some of your crumbs, Clay? Nathan. No, you don't want my crumbs, dude. You don't want my crumbs. You want the whole thing for yourself. Trust me. Is the point essentially just $1, though? Call it something different. Insert a Romeo and Juliet code. What is in a name? Yes. So if you were looking at that, yes. It's essentially $1. Or you can go basis points. Basis points are like percentage points. So if they move the interest rate down a basis point, that's like a tenth of a percent or whatever. So it could be based on percentage points or points when you're talking about the Dow, SP 500, and NASDAQ. It's essentially like $1, man. It's just whatever it moves. So if it goes from 30,000 to 31,000, it went up 1,000 points. What are YouTubers saying shorts covered in? Why are YouTubers saying shorts covered in June? Digital space. Good question, man. I have no idea why YouTubers would be saying shorts have covered in June. I would have to see what they're saying about that. I don't know the direct reference, but so shorts covered a. If they're saying shorts covered in June, man, I don't know. They might watch some of my stuff, but here's the deal. This is what they could be saying based on what I've said in the past, and I don't know if this is what they're referencing or not. You probably do. So in this run-up right here, from the previous reported amount of short shares to the most recent reported amount of short shares after the run-up, there was 102 million short shares being reported back in this area in here. We ran up, and then the next reported, which would have been 2 weeks later, the next reported short interest was that there were 85 million short shares outstanding. So they had covered a net 17 million shares. Now, here's what I don't know if other YouTubers are saying. This is what I'm saying could have happened during that point. They could have gone out, and they could have covered, I don't know, 20, 30, 40, 50 million shares in this time frame. And then once it got back up and they started to see the price stall out a little bit, they could have gone out and opened up a new amount of short positions so that it netted those 17 million short shares that were outstanding. So we did have a net 17 million shares closed, but we don't know how many they actually closed and then reopened in that time frame. That's what we don't know. We just know the net difference. So I don't know if that's what other YouTubers are referencing at this point or what the deal is, what they're saying, but that's what I've said in the past, and that could be what they're saying. I'm sorry if it's not, man, because I haven't seen anybody talking about shorts being closed in June, but they certainly did not close all of the shorts in June, and now there's no shorts outstanding. That would be incorrect if that's what they're saying. Last time I saw this much red was when I saw Jaws. Yeah, John. That was a scary, scary time, man. That's one bad hat, Harry. Clay, my portfolio looks like the elevator scene in The Shining. In The Shining, we got Jaws. Anybody else want a gruesome, I don't know, a gruesome, movie scene that their portfolio looks like right now? John, there's a dude asking for money outside the local, schnooks about my house, always telling me Jesus loves you, so I love you too, bro. Heck yeah, man, heck yeah. My notifications are piled up on everything being down in my portfolio. NUFO, you know what that means, man? That means it's time to buy. When all of your new notifications are going off, because you said like 10% dips, so you can go out and buy. I mean, this is time to buy, dude. I could have sold twice, made profit, and bought back in to lower the average, but I don't know how. I don't know the future, darn it. Yes, Jennifer, exactly. Everybody looking back could say, man, I should have sold this morning when it was at $44 and bought back in. Dude, what if you would have sold at $44 and we're sitting at $54 right now? Think about that. You don't know where the stock price is going to go in the future. Hindsight is always 20/20, and you will die a grumpy person if you live your life on the I shoulda, coulda, wouldas, and if I only did this, and so on. Be confident in the decision you're making and move forward knowing that it's going to be okay. Lex Luthor, hey Clay, can you help me understand the short sale rule, 10% short in a trading period? Yeah, so Lex, I'm sorry if I missed that question, man, but the short sale rule takes effect whenever a position goes down more than 10% in a day. So they do that so shorts can't go out and just crush an entire company in one day and drive the stock price down to zero and just go short it to oblivion so that they make a bunch of money doing that. They say, and the rule is, if it goes down more than 10% in one day, shorts got to chill out. It's like a timeout period. It did go down 10% today. So for the rest of the trading day and all of tomorrow, if it happened on a Friday, it would be all of Monday. So the rest of the trading day and the entirety of the following trading day, you're not allowed to short the stock unless it's at the best bid price of the day. So that doesn't mean that they can't short. It just means that they can't continue to short and drive that pressure down unless it's coming at the best bid. And it's just, the only reason it's in effect, man, is kind of like a timeout period so that people don't go out and intentionally short a stock to nothing. We're reaching some crazy highs on that tight butt scale. Yes, we are, Sam. Yes, we are. People are going to be ready to buy very soon. This means short sellers still need to cover in the short long run. Yes. So they definitely still need to cover, especially if they're taking shorts out today. They need to cover those shorts. They always need to cover the shorts, and no matter what the scenario, unless the company goes bankrupt. That is the only way they do not have to cover the shorts. The only thing that amazes me is that Lucid is green today. I do not have that in my watch list. Otherwise, I would have known. Anybody else got Lucid Motors in their watch list that they knew that was green today as well? If they reopen shorts at a high price, then they'd have no incentive to ever cover, do they? So less of an incentive to cover, okay? So let's say, I think you might be talking about referencing what I was talking about back in June. If they did do that, so hedge funds are smart, guys. Hedge funds are smart. They may try to trim off their position if we start to hit new highs and so on. And if the stock price starts to stall out, they may open some short positions. And yes, in order for them to be in negative territory, unprofitable on those shorts, we would have to start hitting all-time highs once again. So, I mean, they could be motivated to cover those shares and to close out of those shares if they were wanting to book a profit, or if they thought the price was going to continue higher, and so on. I don't understand. Whenever the squeeze comes, whatever my profit is, or whatever my profit is whatever I was meant to get. But I'm gonna be mad if I made a numbskull move and sold before it rips stupid high. Yeah, Chris, that's kind of the mentality that a lot of people have, is that you don't want to be the guy that gets tired and sells the day before it squeezes, or the week or the month before it squeezes, and so on. And you go out there and either you pair your losses at $40 a share, or you just take a 10% gain at $40, $50 a share, and then we're sitting at $500 a share, right? Nobody, whether it goes to 500 or it goes to 500,000, nobody wants to be the guy that sold at 50 or that sold at 30 to cut his losses and so on, and miss out on the potential that AMC's got, whatever that potential is. Clever, I'm getting really worried about this today and yesterday have been really bad for AMC. I want to keep holding, but day trading is looking pretty good right now. David, day trading does look good when you know what is happening and you know what has happened. Here's the deal, man. You don't know what tomorrow's got. You don't know what tomorrow's got. Tomorrow we could go down. Tomorrow we could rip back up. Let's say you got out today because you think that, well, man, day trading is going to be the way, and I'll just get in when it goes a little lower. Dude, we open up tomorrow, we rip 10% higher again. We're sitting at $45 per share, and then you're going to have to get back in because you don't expect it to go back down now because sentiment is really strong, and you get back in, but then we go back down again, and we see a 5% loss, and it could backfire on you so quick, man. But it's a strategy, right? It's a strategy that I don't recommend because it helps the hedge funds get liquidity, and it helps the hedge funds know that they can cover their shares at any time, the more volume that there is. Lucid was red, but now it's green. Very nice. That means it was turning around, guys. We can see a turnaround in the overall market. We can see a turnaround in a lot of stocks here. Once stocks pull back 5-10% like they are, they should be hitting some support. Back to 28. Steroid bra. We could go back to 28, man, but that just leads better buying opportunities for more people to get back in. Since everything's bleeding today, can you change a name color to red, please? Nufo. I do not think that I can. I would like it if YouTube... I know that the icons are one thing, but if YouTube did different levels of names too, like some guys got green names, some guys got blue names, some guys got red names or purple names, and so on, I think that would be a good idea, because that's like the major difference that I see for the members of the channel is the name. The icons, yes, but they're not as easily visible as the color of the name. So I do think that YouTube should look into that by creating an incentive to get different name colors as well. Today, the lowest will be 36, and that's only because of time. Tomorrow, 32. Steroid. Hey, man, it's definitely possible. I'm not going to tell you that it can't go down, but I do know that we are at a decent level of support here at 38.50. It was very strong to break it on the way to the upside, so hopefully it holds and is very strong to break on the way to the downside. Hope we see today some power in the last 15 minutes instead of a big sell. I'm ready for some power. Me too, Tom. Me too. Lose, but don't be dumb. Yeah, well, listen. It's okay if people are getting a little antsy, right? This is the place where they can come. They can kind of talk about it. And then if they can rationalize, listen, if they got to get out, they got to get out, right? I don't think that they should. But if they got to get out, they got to get out. Or they got to trim some of their position or whatever. This is the place that I want people to be able to come, ask some questions if they are nervous, talk about why they're nervous, and then maybe we can calm their fears a little bit. Maybe we can say, yeah, this is going on, but it's going to be okay. This stuff doesn't happen forever, and so on. I want this to be a place where even if somebody does think they're feeling like a shill or feeling like a FUD or whatever, at least pose your questions in a way that we can answer them. You know what I mean? Buy the dip. Joseph is ready to buy the dip. Baby margin call, short restrictions, fail to deliver, a deadline, etc. We discussed before. Seemed no impact to limit the short seller to trigger cover and short sell. Mike, I don't think I followed everything in that comment there, man. I'm very sorry, but feel free to say it again. Man, stock market looking like garbage today. Yeah, no one cares. The stock market is taking a very big beating today. Hey, Rose. Hey, Clay. What's up, Nick F? How you doing, man? Show me the way to Tendytown. Brian, we are going to make it to Tendytown, man. I've only been in AMC for a few months. If I've waited as long as I have and took 1,000 profits, someone slapped the crap out of me. Chris, yes. I've been in since, I think it was the very beginning of January or something, man. And a lot of us have been in, or not beginning of January, very beginning of February, and a lot of us have been in for quite some time, man. So I hope that we are all able to hold out for what we consider life-changing money and not just $1,000 or a couple $100 and so on. No notification. No notification. You know what that means? Should I share it on Twitter again? Let's share it on Twitter since YouTube doesn't give notifications. That's really weird. Nick, turn your notifications off and then back on because... Dude, I don't understand why YouTube does not share my videos anymore. So, let's see. Oh, great. It seems like Twitter's locked up. Give me 2 seconds. Hopefully Twitter comes back. I still believe in AMC, but the scary thing, seeing lots of people say that we're going to crash like 2008. I lost my house and all my livestock then and almost ended up on the street. Cassie, I highly doubt that we see and here's the deal, okay? 2008 was a beast because people got in over their heads. Now, people may be getting in over their heads in certain situations because of the eviction and rent moratoriums that are out there. Well, the rent and mortgage moratoriums, the eviction moratorium, whatever it's called. If people have not been paying their bills, that adds up. Okay? That could lead to something where we do see some I don't know, remembrances of 2007, 2008, and 2009. All right? Because people cannot get in over their heads. So we may be seeing some of that stuff, but I don't see that right now. And I don't see that playing out in the market, especially in today's decline and so on. That's a little bit further down the road, if it even comes to that. A GME is coming back now, down from... Well, there you go, guys. We may be getting some sort of a bounce today, and it could be some sort of a positive close to the day, which I hope we do get. All right, so let's see here. Let's tweet this out since YouTube doesn't know how to send notifications. since YouTube doesn't send notifications, join us here. Okay, and then Control V. Tweet that bad boy out. All right, good deal. All right, I like it. Clay bro, what are your thoughts on Bitcoin or crypto in the near future? In the near future market? Hey, you got me in the near future. I never know what crypto's gonna do in the near future, but in the far future, I think that crypto's got a very strong presence all across the globe. Hey, Clay bro, newbie from Jersey. All right, what's going on, Robert? I love what you're doing. Keep it up. So tired of the fun. Bringing fellow apes down. Robert, yeah, man. People love to dance around in the FUD, don't they? Congrats, Steroid Bra. I did not say, I got news next Monday. I'll be over 400 days sober. Or whenever we had a bad day, I focus on the good. People, focus on the good in your life. Steroid, absolutely, man. Absolutely. In 400 days, shoot, you've been doing work longer than we've been in AMC, so you're doing good, man. Short Squeeze is going to be a lot longer than people think it will, folks. Yeah, a lot longer. Listen, Michael, everybody thought that AMC was going to squeeze in January and in February, right? It was always tomorrow since February. And we've been here for quite some time now. So I just say, hey, man, it's time to sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride instead of continuing to ask, are we there yet? At some point, you got to enjoy the journey. You got to enjoy the ride. And when you do that, dude, it's going to be all positive vibes from there. My investment was lost when I invested. That's the rule, investing in stocks. But I hope for MOAS. Nice, Feversvold. And hey, it's true. Never be willing to invest more money than you're willing to lose or you're willing to risk. And I still think we're doing very well here, guys. We're down on the day, but we're not down overall. And I know you may be if you got in June or so on, but this is not the end of the ride. The shorts haven't covered yet, and that's why we're here in the first place, is to watch the shorts cover. And don't let this rain on your birthday, bro. Try to have a happy birthday. New foe! Today's not my birthday, but thank you very much. I absolutely will. Spy's running up. I love it, Tom. I love it. Maybe we're getting a bounce, guys. Maybe we're getting a bounce. We ready to hit 40. Let's do it, Jason. Hi, Clay. Oh, Lords, Navarro. Hello. How are you, Lords? Good old Twitter. Good old Twitter. Pringleton, you didn't see it on Twitter, did you? And then come here from there. 105 shares at an average of 46. Thank you for the pullback. You're welcome. Rigid. I can't tell if you're being sarcastic or not. Thanks, Clay. Absolutely, Michael. I got in at 54, and I am mad, but not complaining. Jason, it's true, man. 54 may seem like a higher cost average because of when you got in, because where the price is at right now. Now listen, man. If the shorts do go out and cover, or if we get a fresh round of FOMO, whatever, and we're sitting at $200 a share, everybody's going to be saying the same thing. Like they're saying now, like you might be saying, I wish I would have gotten in at $15. They're going to be saying, I wish I got in at $50. So it's just all a matter of time. Nobody can tell the future, but everybody likes to dwell on the bad. But I think it's time to dwell on the good, man, and what could be. Keep a positive mindset, and it's going to be all right. Jason Brooks, do not sell. Still a discount. Yeah, it is a discount right now. I paper-handed all my shares at $38.55 in hopes to buy more back. JK, I would never. But someone did, and that's why day trading is dangerous. Hey, that's true, man. That's true. Somebody did sell their shares at $38.55. Did we touch $38.55 today? Let me just check. Yes. Somebody did sell their shares at $38.55 today. That's true. Now, did they buy back in yet? No, they probably didn't because they thought we were going lower. Here's the deal, though. We may never touch $38.55 again. I mean, we may touch it in the next hour, but we may never touch $38.55 again. So nobody knows what the future holds, but Sam's right, man. Sam's right. Day trading, it can get risky. Yep, no YouTube alert today, though I should, oh my gosh, be used to my schedule by now. Yes, you should, Pringleton. I do not know why YouTube does not give notifications. Hey, what do you guys think today? Just because it's like a really bad red day, you want to do like a sticker pack or some sort of a giveaway? I say we do a sticker pack giveaway at the end of the live stream just to, I don't know, just to lighten the mood, make it a little bit of a better day. I say we do it. So go retweet that. If you got Twitter, go retweet that out. And maybe, I don't know, maybe you could just maybe we just share it with somebody. Text message a live stream with somebody, and they come in here and say that you sent them. We might be onto something. I might do a giveaway that way. Banana Man! Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear me, from Banana Man. Happy birthday to me. Banana Man, thank you very much, but it is not my birthday. That cake is not mine. Is anybody's birthday today? We need to know, because that cake is for you. Banana Man is giving you a piece of birthday cake. Thank you very much, Banana Man. I appreciate that. Hey, Clay Bro, with this crash, isn't this a good time to invest in the market? Because one day they will get up again, and by the next... Yeah, man. So listen, I wouldn't consider today a crash, right? Today the market was down like 2%. AMC, yes. AMC is down 10, 12% today. That's a very big decline in one day for any stock. So it could be a very good time to get in, especially with AMC here. When you watched AMC bounce around 38.50, we knew that was support. Double tested it, almost triple tested it down here, and then we started to go up. So that could have been a decent buying opportunity to get into AMC down here. And even as we run, I mean, I know we're right here at $40 now, but we could be reaching a slight level of resistance. But the way we fell through it, I wouldn't be terribly concerned about this $40 range if you're trying to buy in and go back up to the upside. Do you think we squeeze before 122 is possible? Yes. Interstellar, I absolutely think, and thank you very much, Interstellar, for the super chat. I appreciate that. I absolutely think that the squeeze is possible before January 2022. Is it guaranteed before January 2022? No, absolutely not. Nothing's guaranteed before January 2022, but I definitely think it is possible before January 2022. Either margin calls or a willingness to cover those shares, I do. You could have been asking at the end of May, dude, like what's going on here, and nobody would have told you the next day we were ripping to $70 per share. So anything can happen, man. We were trading that same week, dude, that same week. We went from like $12 to $70 in about a week's period. So keep that in mind when you're thinking how high AMC can go. Simblo! Thank you for the super chat. Because we are all losing money today, and even though you're losing money too, you thought of doing a giveaway for us. 10 out of 10 kind of dude. Well, thank you very much, Sam. I appreciate that. And now it is confirmed, because I am a 10 out of 10. We are definitely doing a sticker pack giveaway today. So go retweet, like, comment, whatever. I tweeted out the live stream. Go do that. Go tweet on that. And then I don't know if we'll pull up. I never set up Cloud Bro or Cloudbot, whatever it is. I never set that up. So we might be doing the giveaway with either Nightbot, or I might just do it on the Twitter. Whoever goes out and tweets. So let's get a sticker pack together for the end of the stream today, so we can actually have some fun in here. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we've got here. Alright, you guys did not see that. Hopefully that did not break. And that little guy's okay. And let's see. Do I have one more? Okay, cool. Cool! Alright, we got a sticker pack right here. Sticker pack right here, guys. If you guys haven't seen the stickers, this one, put it somewhere. Put it on your phone. Tell people about it, whatever. Yeah. Bro Ape sticker. I know a lot of people like that one. Bro Babe sticker. Alright. Alright for the Bro Babes out there. Original Bro sticker. Very nice. And then 2 little Bro stickers. I think it's, what is that, white? White and black. White and black 2 little Bro stickers. So we got a sticker pack right here. And we'll do that a giveaway at the end of the live stream. Michael Lowe, thank you very much for the super chat. But Michael, where's the chat at, man? Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it. If Michael's got a question, if Michael's got a shout out, whatever it is, Michael, let's get it going, man. I like it, so let's make it happen. Orb, cool. No, Pringleton, it is not Orb. It's bro. The camera's just mirrored, man. It's all right. Congratulations, Cassie. What did Cassie say? Oh my goodness, what did Cassie say? Happy birthday, new folk. Birthday. You guys, it's nobody's birthday in here. There's no way. Joe, you got to be careful saying things like that on the internet, man. Some people really hate the truth, my friend. Yes, they do. People forget we went to 13 to 25, back to 13 like 4 times before ripping. Yes, Joe, that is correct. But it is also true, man. Be careful. Banana Man! Thank you very much for the super chat. Me! Somebody pick me. Pick me. Banana Man wants to win. Pick me. Banana Man says, pick me for the super sticker. I don't know. I might just pick Banana Man for the super sticker giveaway. Is it like a super sticker giveaway? And then maybe one day like slime bro giveaway. It's my wife's birthday and she's listening in. Lex, I don't know if that's true, but what is her first name? Or should I just say Lex Luthor's wife? Because dude, you know you're in here every day. You know if it's your actual wife's birthday today, I'm definitely singing. A bro keychain giveaway. The thing is, okay, maybe. Mr. Normus, are you in here? Somebody that actually works for the post office. I could probably get away with just sending this, right? With a stamp. One of these bad boys with a stamp. I can get away. This is very light, dude. This is like just plastic, a little plastic keychain. I don't even think this weighs as much as a couple pieces of paper. Clever lava lamp giveaway. IT never happening. If somebody helps you on that, I just don't want to put a stamp on it and then like it get lost in the mail or something, and then it's useless. You're thinking you're getting a keychain and then you don't get a keychain, and so on. Pay for play with the bro stickies. Yes, Dustball. Pay for play. I mean, shoot, dude. If this guy's calling me. Her name is what? Sheckler. Sheckler. I don't know if that's true or not. It's my wife's birthday. Lex, what's your wife's name, man? Let's sing happy birthday to her. Psh, support. Has AMC had any support thus far? James. AMC's had a lot of support this far, man. Yeah. Come on, AMC. Back to 40. Let's get it. Let's go. AMC back to 40. AMC, $40.07 right now. Very nice, AMC. I like it. I like the rebound that we got here. Hey, Cup Bro. You know what this looks like right here? You know what this looks like right here, man? Anybody? Cup Bro. What does this look like, man? What could this be? Anybody know what that could be right there? Are we making a cup? We might be making a cup. I don't know. You guys get excited. We all love cups. Her name is... what? Ardora. Her name is Jocelyn. All right, that's easier. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jocelyn. Happy birthday to you. I don't know if Lex just played me or not, but happy birthday, Jocelyn. You are part of the family. I don't know if you're a bro, but Jocelyn, if you are not a bro, I am reaching out to you right now. Click that subscribe button. Join us. Become a bro. We are here how often? Every single day. And we are growing our portfolios together. Thank you very much, Lex, for being in here. And Jocelyn, happy birthday to you. Double bottom and a George W. Oh my goodness. All in a cup. This is crazy. This is crazy. We could have the ultimate formation forming on the chart right now. All of the bullish patterns that YouTubers love to talk about forming all in 1 minute. I'm going to share the live in a group text. Just, Nick F., make sure that I am not in that group text if you are going to share the live in that, because then you will see my camera disappear. I mean, the plastic keychain won't go through the sorter. Mr. Anything Tech. Dude, it's very small, though. It's very small. You think they would have a problem with that? Never got a notification, Clay. JB! Why is YouTube doing this to me? Why is YouTube doing this? Dude, YouTube is more of a market manipulator than the hedge funds are. I can't talk that much crap about YouTube. They're probably listening right now. They're probably like, what's this guy saying? Blah, blah, blah. But yeah, think about it. YouTube did not send a single notification out today. Ask yourself why. Can the squeeze happen this week? Yes, the squeeze could happen this week. Will it happen this week? I doubt it, because there's a lot of people telling you that it's going to happen this week. Are you mocking me? Never. I asked if it was a cup, and suddenly you turn into a comedian about this chart formation. It's a beautiful, beautiful bowl. It's a beautiful, beautiful bowl forming, and maybe one day it will become a cup. It could, dude. It could. But the thing is, we need a handle, too. Right now, we just got a very large, like, vase type formation on the chart right now. Mr. Anything Tech? Yes. Dang. Well, so you're saying you're saying go to the post office to... Dude. That keychain will be so small, though. But you're saying go to the post office. I got a notification 4 hours ago. Nufo! 4 hours ago doesn't help anybody, man. That's like when I was live for the first time. A YouTube notification, bro. Jesus, I like the name. Did anybody else not get a notification? Because it's really weird that some people do and some people don't. I don't understand that. When am I getting that custom shirt? Nick F, what was your custom shirt again, man? Now I forget, but you can have a custom shirt. My sister was sick. I don't know if she had COVID or what, but she was sick. So I don't know. Probably at least a week. A week. She's not sick anymore, but nothing got done in like the last week and a half. So you got to give her like I would say another week before worry about it. Vase. Just like we put Grandma in, she's here with us. This is bullish. She loved the movies. Wipes tears. Yes, it happens, dude. I don't want to. No, you don't. Nobody wants a COVID shirt. Is that like mailing it? No, I don't think it works in the same way. I believe a lot of people were a little bit skeptical of that back in the early 2020 times, but no, it doesn't work like that. But either way, I would still have to go grab it, and I don't want to be like, oh, go set this on your porch, and then I'll pick it up off your porch and not see you or anything. So I was let her chill for a while. You think a market crash will cause margin calls? Cavilo, I do not, unless it drastically crashes. Because even in the sense of a market crash, right, hedge funds are still playing the market to the downside. So they make money when it crashes as well. They're short on a lot of things. So they could just over leverage to play to the downside and not really do that bad if the market crashes. If they don't, and it does crash, then yeah, they could be losing out on a lot of money, and they could get margin called if they lose beyond a certain threshold. I like that green candle. Dude, I love these green candles right now. We got a beautiful vase forming on the chart right now. We could actually be getting the handle right here. If we chill out into after hours, we could have a handle. So keep that in mind, guys. Everybody loves the cup and handle. The production halted. Yeah, it's just giving her a week to rest up. You're probably right. Sam is probably right. Nigga, you probably accidentally sent it to your mom and not you, huh? Yeah, I did. Nick's mom's got like 8 shirts over there. One for every day of the week. Do the math on that one. Luca Tony! Thank you very much for the super sticker. Thank you very much, Luca Tony. For the super sticker. I appreciate it. We are all superheroes here. Even if we are lemon-headed, we are all superheroes. And thank you very much, Luca Tony, for the beautiful superhero pose there. I like it. Hopefully everybody else does as well. As long as we don't go back to the 30s, I feel good because the 30s feel like the beginning again. Luca, it does, man. It does. When you rip down and then you're back to square one, it seems like, dude, it would be pretty daunting to go back down to $5, $8 a share again. That would definitely feel like the beginning again. But 30, I don't know. We ripped so quickly through the 20s and the 30s and the 40s and the 50s, but it's been a steady decline and just pressure ever since. We ripped up. We got spoiled back in June when we ripped up from $12 to $70 so quickly. We really did get spoiled, guys. Clay, what's cracking? Do it live. What's happening, man? Booty hole slightly loosens. Look at the cup. Oh, it does, man. It does. We can... Ooh. Look at that little candle we got coming in here. Hold on now. Sam makes me look at this cup, and I like that. I like what I see right there. Guys, this is a nice bounce into... This is a power hour. Okay? This is a power hour. We held up support, and this is a nice run for power hour. I like this. Up $2 already. Over 5%. That's nice, guys. I like that kind of action in power hour right there. You can experiment sending Nufo a bro keychain through the mail. He may get it. He may not. Nufo. I think I should experiment with Nufo sending this through the mail. I think I should. What do you, okay, just group consensus right now. For some reason, Nufo has been really riding the keychain since he very first saw keychains. So I want to know right now. I like the experiment, dude. I like the experiment. Just a stamp. I'm not putting return address or anything on it. If you don't get it, we're gonna know it didn't work. If you do get it, we're gonna know it worked. So this is not a rhetorical question. And you can say no, you can say yes, you can say do it, don't do it. I say right now, your guys' consensus on this one. I still don't have an orb sticker. Listen, I've seen 3 do it's. I'm leaving this one up to you guys. I need to see the majority here. I need to see the majority. It's either do it or don't do it. I've seen 4. I say we could be testing this. It's only gonna be a stamp, dude. It's only gonna be a stamp, and I think it's worth a try. I do. Try it, Nufo. I hope you get it. Do it. I'm seeing no declines on this. I'm seeing no negatives. I only see try it. We need to know. We do need to know, JB. Nick F says do it. Do it. Do it. I dare you to. Ooh, DD214's calling me out on a dare. Ooh, Michael says do it. Nufo says do it. Of course, Nufo says do it. Julie's saying do it. Pringleton says do it. Nobody's saying don't do it. Here's what we're going to do, man. Don't do it. You can do it. I just want to be the counter argument. Oh, man. Do you keep buying AMC stocks, Clay, bro, or you just stop? Cristiano, I haven't bought any in a while. I'll be honest. I haven't bought any in a while. You got this? I know, because I want one. Michael's being positive here. I like it. Okay, well, here's the deal. Here's the deal. I say we do it. If you guys are not opposed to it and we want to try it, 1 stamp, 1 envelope. I should probably throw a sticker in there, too. I should probably throw a sticker in. I don't know. I'm getting double dog dared. Now we better do it. All right, here's the deal. Nufo. This is going to be difficult, man. This is going to be difficult because unless you've already got one picked out that you know you kind of want, I'm going to let you pick through a couple of them. Now, I don't think there's really, the only one that's the same, there's a couple of those. But, dude, there's several. I don't think you want a peach or a Bro Babe one. I don't think you want a Bro Babe one. So, I'm not going to show you the Bro Babe one. But we got several of these, man. So, I'll let you decide. So, you've got some astronaut keychains, okay? Got some astronaut keychains that look like that. Keep these in mind. You're going to have to tell me which one you wanted. You've got the little astronauts that look like cute astronauts. I don't even know which way to say that, man. Okay? Nufo wants a Bro Babe one. I don't know if Nufo does want a Bro Babe one. If he does want a Bro Babe one, I mean, for his Bro Babe, I can get him a Bro Babe one. But you've already seen a cute astronaut. You've already seen that astronaut. Keychain like that, man. Okay? Keychain like that. Clay Bro YouTube keychain. Really? Bro Babe one. Is that what you're saying? If Nufo wants a Bro Babe one, I don't care. You can have a Bro Babe one. Dude, if that's the case, look. We got this Bro Babe. Okay? Little rocket says Bro Babe. And then we got the Bro Peach, man. So you want purple Bro Babe or you want pink Peach? Ooh, look at that one. That one's cool. That one's got buy and sell with red and green tassels on it. I didn't even know that one was in there. It's got buy and sell and red and green tassels. So you're just good for any day. Bro Peach. Bro Peach. Right here. Alright? Bro Peach right here. This is what Nufo's claiming. I'm going to have to, if we do a sticker giveaway. Nufo. I'm going to give you a YouTube sticker too. Make sure to put this somewhere so everybody sees this. Alright? I don't care if you go post it on a telephone pole, you post it on your phone, bathroom door, or what. But, shoot, we're testing this, alright? We're testing this right here. That's going to be the test. We'll find out if Nufo gets it or not. Don't get it, you don't get it. I can't help it if you don't get it. So, Nufo, I'm pretty sure I follow you on Twitter. You got to go on Twitter, and you got to let me know where to send it. All right? If you don't get it, very sorry, but I will send it. I'll take it out after the live stream, and I'll go put it in the mailbox. That is a rocket on the one, right? Pringleton, yes. That is a rocket on the one. Fishing lure. You could use it as a fishing lure if you would like, man. Good luck, Nufo. Yes, good luck to Nufo. Everybody needs to wish Nufo good luck because I don't know if he's going to get it. We're testing it. One stamp, one envelope, like game over. That's it. 6 minutes in the day. Let's hold the 40s. Let's do it. Can you send it to Nufo, but put my address? I don't know. Nufo can put whatever address they want on there, but that's what they're getting in the mail if they actually deliver it. So hopefully they do. Good luck, Nufo. Yes. Nick F., you pointing little arrows at me. He might have been pointing little arrows at you. I don't know. It looks like he was. Nufo, good luck. Good luck to Nufo. Absolutely. Now, Nufo, hook me up on Twitter, man. I got to know where to send that. And, bro, babe, it's in the envelope. So, like, it's ready to go, dude. I don't know what you can get away with a sticker. Or with the stamp. So hopefully that's good enough. Good luck, Nufo. I know, man. Everybody's hoping Nufo gets that power hour. Either that. Hey, Mr. Normus, or somebody that works for the post office. What do you guys do if there's no return address and clearly there's a sticker and a keychain in it? What do you? You just gonna like gank the keychain and keep it for yourself? Is there like a lost and found? Power hour, 5 more shares. Right as buying power stepped in. I like it, Frank. We're riding it up now. Thanks, Clay, bro. Absolutely, Nufo. But, dude, don't thank me, because I wasn't going to send it if everybody in here didn't say do it. If everybody in here didn't say do it, I wasn't going to do it. So, I think you owe a thanks to everybody in here that said, yes, let's try it. Let's give it a shot and see if we can get Nufo this keychain. What price are you having a hot chocolate bath? I say when it reaches 1,000, I want to see a bath in champagne. Oh, my God. I feel like okay, I guess an entire bathtub full of champagne would be more expensive than an entire bathtub full of chocolate. But a hot chocolate bath is not as bad. Hot chocolate bath I could do, but like an actual chocolate bath, that's not going to happen. That's way too dangerous. Check your email today, Clay, bro. Okay, Nufo, I will. If I don't get yanked the sorting machine, they will deliver it postage due. If it don't get yanked in the sorting machine, okay, they'll deliver it postage due. Well, regardless, that's what's going to happen. Mr. Anything Tech, thank you for letting me know what is likely to happen to it. It's getting a stamp, and we're going for it. All right, Nufo? Stamp, and we're going for it. We'll see what happens. If you get it, man, shoot, then I know that I can do sticker giveaways extremely easily. Don't do it. Jay's room! You're a little late, man. I'm already doing it. You guys can't trick me into not doing it now. It's already in the envelope. I can't do anything about it. I think they call it dead mail, but I have no clue what they do with it. It's dead mail, man. They just kill it. They take it home and give it to their kid. Like, they open it for Christmas as Christmas present. That is how they do Christmas parties at the post office. They take all of the dead mail, and it's like white elephant. Okay? They take the packages, they take the envelopes, and they just do like a huge white elephant with all of the dead mail they've got. Yes, perfect decipher. Yes, it is. Chocolate bath, way too dangerous. This guy. Anthony! Chocolate bath is way too dangerous, man. You don't even know. Like, you get in a chocolate bath, all of a sudden the chocolate hardens and you're stuck in your bathtub. I can't think of a worse way to go, dude, than being stuck in your hard chocolate bathtub. It'll be hilarious if he doesn't get it, considering how much drugs get sent via mail and other illegal things, but yet we can't get a keychain to our boy. Dude, isn't that true, though? Isn't that true? Like, all I'm trying to do is send a little keychain to Nufo, and then I can't get it. I can't make it happen. It's ridiculous. 2 minutes. Give us some big green candles, baby. Let's go. We need those big green candles. $40. Ooh, 40.20. 420. 420 right now. We can do it. We're going to stay above $40 per share. We're going to close down less than 9% in the red today. Guys, it's all right. We made a nice little comeback at the end of the day. Bounced over $2. It's looking good right now, so I'm happy with that. Hopefully everybody else is thrilled with it as well. 40.33. Let's go, Josh. Guys, get your price predictions out there. I'm saying 40.29 is what I'm calling. 40.29. I'm calling 40.29. Guys, get your price predictions. You got like 1 minute left in the market. Lava Lamp making a move. Lava Lamp making a move to the upside. 40.19, 100 oil tipped is staying optimistic for today. I love it. Clay, bro, maybe if you hide the keychain inside some... Yes, he might get it. If I hide the keychain inside some white sugar, he may get it. But I think I would have to pay a little bit more in postage than the stamp. We got 59, 40.31, 40.30, a couple guys at 40.31 there, 40.21, 40.24, 40.16, 40.26. I like it. We're at 40.29 right now. We got less than 1 minute left in the day. 40.30 on the chart right now. Keep the price predictions coming in, guys. Don't be afraid just because at the end of the day, 40.27, 40.29, 40.21, 41.01. Ooh, I like it right now. What are we doing right here? We got $40.27, $40.28, $40.29, 40.29. We got right 40.29, 40.28, 27, 28, 20, 27, 28, 20, 27, 28, 29 on the chart right now. 40.30, 40.30, 40.28, 40.30, 40.29. This is looking good. This is looking good. We got a green candle and end on a green candle right here. $40.28. We got $40.28, 40.29, 40.20. Did I call it right today? Did I call it right today at $40.29? I think I called it dead on at 40.29. Oh my goodness. Looks like we've got ourselves a close at $40.29. I don't know how I did it, but we are 40.40 after hours. That was an exciting close, guys. That was an exciting close. I like it. $40.29 close. We are up after hours. Looking very good. Sid, what's going on, man? What's up? Good afternoon. Hope your day is fantastic. Hope your day is fantastic as well. This always stresses me out. JB, do not be stressed out, man. 40.27. I see the 69.69 crypto racketeer coming in hot with them. I started that Lava Lamp talk. Remember, I asked, why wouldn't it move in some videos? Yes, you did, Anthony. And in some videos, it's just because I turned it on too late. That's the only reason. 53, come on, let's do it. Hey, we can go after hours, guys. We can rip after hours. 40, anything is good. Nikki 89, absolutely. Call it 2. Jay's room, you called it 2. Very nice. Clay wins. I win this, baby. Omar, shake and bake, baby. Oh, yes. Lava, that'll do a grand. Over 40. I love it. Since you called the close, do you win the sticker giveaway? I may win the sticker giveaway, actually. I may win the sticker giveaway. Lava Lamp came through us for shout out to the Lava Lamp. Shout out to you, Lava Lamp, coming through for us today. Is it a holiday in China tomorrow? Nikki 89. I'm not sure. I did see somebody on Twitter saying that today and tomorrow are holidays in China. I don't know, though. That's just a Twitter post. I don't trust the vast majority of stuff that I see on Twitter. But it's kind of hard to mess up holidays. But just because I didn't verify that myself, I do not know and cannot confirm for you. Somebody else can go out there and Google it right now if you want, but I'm not exactly sure. Lava Lamp, oh yes, Clay deserves more money and subs, and I will spread your links to Yahoo Finance. Well, thank you very much, Merciful Ninja. Go spread the links everywhere you can find to spread the links to. That would definitely help, man. We have a lot of fun here, and I want everybody to have fun. Is it normal to think of today as a win, even though we're down so much because we saw 30s but didn't end in the 30s? Yes, like logically, I know we're down, but I'm like, why, man? We can't be back in the 30s today. Yeah, no, you can think of today as a win because we did fight back at the end of the day. I'm sure the daily candle still looks pretty bearish as we ended almost 9% down. But, yeah, you can see right here that we bounced off this support line right here. So the last several days have been very, very bearish. I mean, look at this. The last week has been very bearish, coming from $52.79 down to testing $38.50 again. What we want to see, though, is we want to see this bounce off the $38 level, just like it was so hard to break through here. We want that to hold up, and we want to continue moving up from here. So, overall, guys, we've been trading relatively in this range for several months now, and hopefully we can get a bounce off this line and move back up to the upside, because we did have a very, very bearish last week or so. Hopefully we get the continuation into after hours, but after hours are typically not as exciting as the rest of the trading day. I also saw on Twitter that a tsunami was coming to cover all of Florida. Can't trust everything that you see on Twitter, man. You can trust the majority of it, and by majority, I mean the non-majority of it, But just don't. Just verify it for yourself. Remember, we had 5 green weeks. Absolutely oil tipped. We did. We had 5 green weeks. We came all the way up from $28 to $52. So we're still above that $28 we started at a couple weeks ago. AMC Chapter says we get that bounce, baby. Bounce, baby. Bounce. Whoop, whoop. I am here. Pam the Trader is here. Pancakes, glad to have you in here. I'm surprised you're not eating lunch right now. It's always exciting with you, Clay. Thank you very much, Nikki89. I appreciate that. I just need green. Oh, Brad. I want it to be green every single day, man. Hearing that a lot of the market downturns hurt the squeeze, I thought it was the opposite. So confused, but holding no matter what. Johnstontown, hearing a lot that market downturn hurts the squeeze. So it's tough, man, because the same people that'll tell you a market downturn hurts the squeeze will also tell you that a market downturn helps the squeeze too. It just depends on what you want it to, like what story you want it to fit into. So you could look at it a couple different ways. A market downturn could help the squeeze because AMC's got a negative beta, and the fact that the market's going down should cause AMC to go up. You could look at it as a positive thing because less money for the hedge funds equals higher likelihood of margin calls. So there's several reasons that you can make it fit that scenario. And then if you want to make it fit a scenario where a market downturn is bad for the squeeze, you could say, well, the vast majority of people holding AMC, or at least some of the people holding AMC, are traditional investors and momentum players and retail traders. So they will exit as the market is going down and potentially get back in later. So that can create some selling pressure. It could be bad because those that own AMC, like institutions that own AMC, could be shaving some of their holdings in order to stave off larger gains. So you can make it fit almost any scenario that you want to make it fit, man. And it just depends on what kind of story you're trying to push at the moment. It's all about clout chasing, man. Some days it's good, some days it's bad. The only thing that's for sure is the dark pool price is crazy high and the squeeze is tomorrow. Yes, and someone, somewhere, right now, is leaking or exposing information. Those things we do know. There will be leaked information. Somebody will be exposed. And the squeeze is tomorrow. But keep in mind, tomorrow I will be telling you the squeeze is tomorrow. So, tomorrow never comes. I know it's an AMC chart here, and 95% of my portfolio is AMC. My other shares are in SDC. My profit from SDC goes to AMC later. SDC is up 9% in after hours. Do you know about SDC? I believe that's Smile Direct Club, right? No, I do not know about it, but I did actually look that up over the weekend because I forget what I was seeing on that. People calling it a squeeze or whatever. But I don't know the numbers on it. I don't know any of that. But I do know that there are a lot of people also hoping that that SDC bounces as well. So as far as like any of the numbers, no. But I'm pretty sure that's Smile Direct Club, and I was looking at that this weekend, but I didn't dive into it to get everything that I should know or to be able to talk about it. Hey Clay, bro, I hit you up on Twitter this weekend. Let me know how it looks if possible. All right, Frank, I will, man. I will. I didn't really see anybody's messages over the weekend except for Mike's to get that thing mailed out. AMC and GMAC nearly identical day chart today. Oh my goodness. Who would have guessed? Step bro and step sis trading in lockstep. You know, as much trash as I will talk on them, they are consistent in their tomorrow guess for the squeeze. They definitely are, man. At least they stay consistent in the fact that AMC will always squeeze tomorrow. Smash the like pancakes. Thank you very much. How many likes do we have? Do we have at least 200 in here? I didn't rage buy the 100 shares I wanted to. I rage bought 200 instead. Race fueled. Very nice, man. Did you get in below the close price? Were you able to get in below $40? Apes shall always kill hedges. I hope that we also come out victorious in this short squeeze. Thanks, Vegas, for more AMC shares earlier. Oh, I love it, man. Pancakes is buying more AMC shares with Vegas winnings. Is that what's going on here? I want an STD at a card game once, but traded her for an ice cream cone. Mr. Anything Tech, very interesting. I don't know if that's a true story or not, but if it is, hey man, I think you might have made a good choice. Yes, that's the one, Smile Direct Club. It's really a short-term play to make money from my baby AMC. Tom P, very nice, man. I did see that a lot of people were talking about that, and they think that it's going to squeeze, but I don't know why. I don't know any of the numbers. I don't know anything other than probably what I just said right there. But if it's up 9% after hours, man, I like it. That's very good gain. Just joined in for aftermarket. 2 questions. How was your weekend? And do you buy into this whole negative beta thing for AMC and GME? Alex, so my weekend was very good, man. Went to the zoo, had some fun this weekend, and that was pretty much it, man. Just relaxed all day yesterday. Negative beta. Yes, I do buy into negative beta, okay? But negative beta is based on past performance. Now, past performance sometimes indicates what's likely in the future, but it does not guarantee what's to happen in the future. And a lot of people take it as, because it's got a negative beta, every time the market goes down, the shares will go up. It's so detached from the overall market, because people buying AMC and GameStop at this moment, you know that we're not traditional investors. You know that there's a reason beyond fundamental value that people are buying AMC and GameStop. So, like, if you keep that in mind, that's how you can get detached from the market and then have a negative beta in that situation. So it doesn't just mean because we get a market crash, AMC is going to go up, GME is going to go up, and so on. But that's how you get detached from the market. Baltimore shares earlier at 38.90. Very nice pancakes. I love it. That was very low today. Very good job. Where's my zoo invite? Nick F. My zoo invite came, dude, basically at like noon, and the bus was leaving at noon 30. So I don't know. You might need more. You might need more time for a zoo invite, but a lot of people did go to the zoo. No shorts to borrow left in Small America Club. That's the last thing to say about it. Don't worry. Tomorrow we'll see a nice day with AMC. I feel it in my left. Your left arm. You feel it in your left arm. Your left pinky. Tom P. Your left what, man? Your left eye. Your left cheek. Left nostril. I have a second bus. This is true. But dude, I'm telling you, it was like next time. Because my sister didn't go, so there might be a next time. I can invite you to that one. It was a lot of carousel riding and like train riding, and I don't know. It was a good day. It was a lot. Left testy. Oh, there you go. I thought he meant like his left shoulder or something. Oh no. I believe Thomas was talking about his left cashew. He may have been talking about his left cashew. Yes. Pringleton, no problem. Where is Pringleton? Oh, would Nick got it get in here? Ortex update? Did I miss it? Nick's got an Ortex update. Thank you very much, Nick. Ortex update, guys. Estimated short interest change down 2.09%. Return shares 3.19 million. Borrowed shares 970,000. Borrowed change down 2.2 million. Estimated current short interest to free float 18.55%, and estimated current short interest 94.87 million. So they're estimating that a few shares were covered today based on that, or at least in the last couple days, if it's T+2 or whatever. So little less than the previous estimate when it comes to the amount of short shares outstanding. Clay bro, we need to keep the buying pressure. Hopefully we're green tomorrow. However, I'll keep buying a red day till Thursday on the stock market in general. Evergrande is pulling everyone. Yeah, Adrian, if you think it's related to the Evergrande, yeah, no, everything was falling today. Everything was down. AMC to 400 by the end of the year. I would love AMC to 400 by the end of the year. And especially if the shorts were still 100 million short shares outstanding. I would love that. Because think about it. If you've got the mentality of a hedge fund, okay, if you're willing to short AMC at $40, imagine if we get some FOMO buyers to jump on and we run up to $200 a share. And we're sitting at 200 and they're shorting even more because it's even higher of a price. There's no way it could sustain 200. So they're shorting even more. All of a sudden we're sitting at $200 a share with 200 million shares that need to be covered instead of 100 million. We are going to be in such a better situation then than we are now. If we get there, right? If we get there. Returned, not covered. Yes, those are return shares, not covered. But the short interest is the short interest was lower. So they were estimating that there were 95 million short shares outstanding this morning, and they're estimating that there's 94 point whatever estimating this afternoon. So they are estimating that there are less short shares outstanding than they were earlier. But the borrowed shares and the return shares, that's what those are. This was a great day. The sale was great. Chickadee added to the position. Very nice. Oaks Way recording, and I like it. Chickadee. Nick, thumbs up. This kid loves that. The kid loves that stuff. Hard to keep him off of it. Then we go without. When we go without mom, dude, I'm telling you, you got to. You got to go, man. You got to go to the zoo when you got the zoo passes, and you get everything in it. So next time, dude, you got the invite next time, man. Because that's what it seems like the kids. I don't even remember like seeing any animals. I saw the bears. Like the bears would probably be one of the longest things you get to see, and it was very crowded though. It was very crowded too. How much is Rihanna holding with her diamond hands? Rihanna's holding a lot with her diamond hands. I have no idea what Rihanna's holding. I'm starting to think the price action from like 14 to 72 not only gave me immediate diarrhea, but it also caused a lot of stomach issues on Wall Street too. Yes. Yes, dude. Wall Street was probably having a lot of diarrhea. Wall Street was just drinking Pepto when we ran from 14 to 72. No doubt about that. Yes, Alec, but there was a lot of kids there, man, so we were just running. And no, they were not feeding giraffes that day. They had that closed down for some reason. You can only look at them. And it was hot Saturday. Yeah, it was hot Saturday, but it wasn't that bad. I mean, there was a lot of places just to walk in the shade and stuff, so it wasn't like terrible because of the heat. But I don't know, man. It was a lot of running around. See you, Pam. Pancakes leaving? Oh no! I'm gonna go get in the car now. Can't wait to get home. Pancakes. Enjoy your ride. Enjoy the slime. And thank you for hanging out with us. If you're going to get lunch, I don't know what you're doing, but enjoy your lunch as well. Let's see. Markets are setting up for another red day tomorrow as well. Greg, if we got a red day tomorrow, it's going to be okay because we can have a green day the next day. It doesn't go red forever. It doesn't only ever go down. It will always rebound, man. Everybody's saying bye to Pam. Pancakes isn't really leaving. She never really leaves. She says bye, but then she stays. Do you have to pay for your zoo? I'm from St. Louis, and all our stuff like that is free. So, yeah, you got to pay to the zoo unless your mom loves taking people to the zoo, and she's got, like, I don't know, season zoo passes for her and the entire family and all of that. So, technically, yes, you do, but if your mother is a zoo enthusiast, then no, you don't have to pay, but she pays. Clear, I'm getting worried. I keep hearing this will take 1 to 2 years, and I really hope it happens by the end of the year. Well, you know what? Fruit Bowl. I was like, you're going to get crushed, and the love of my life I want. No. Fruit Bowl. I don't think, listen, man, people saying that it could take that long, I mean, they're right. But I don't think that it's going to take that long. Because I don't think that everybody would wait that long. I truly don't. I truly don't believe that everybody would be able to diamond hand AMC for a 2-year period. Okay, I think that people would start to sell off and get bored and just turn into grumpy old bears and sell before they would wait another two years. So if that happens, we may see AMC dip. If AMC dips, the hedge funds are likely to go out and cover their shares. So we could see a willingness to cover shares if we get to that point. Because I truly don't think that everybody's going to be able to sit on their positions for another 2 years, man. I really don't. Love you too, Pam. Yes. Yo, Clay, saw your video on Reddit, and some really like it. What? Hold on, Petey Pete. No way. I need to know if this is true. Lucas says 1 year max. That's it. Lucas says no way we're going another 2 years. No way. I need to know. Somebody actually posted my video on Reddit in a positive light. If this is true, this is revolutionary. I have to go. Bye, bros. See you later, Nick F. Thanks for hanging out with us. And whatever you got to do, man. Hopefully enjoy your evening. How the heck did the ACB go up 50% and only 22,000 volume and got holded twice before the click? John R., you don't need high volume to equal high prices. Don't need high volume to equal high prices. Pam the Trader! Thank you very much for the super chat, Pam the Trader. Love you all. And you know what, Pancakes? I can speak for everybody in here when I say all loves Pam Trader as well. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Pam. I appreciate that. And absolutely, wherever you're going right now, lunch, driving home, whatever it is, I hope, and I know that everybody else hopes, that you enjoy the absolute rest of your day all the way to whatever. Are you going home? Is that what it was? You got to drive somewhere, right? But, dude, thank you very much, Pam. Thank you very much. Oh, my goodness. Wet zoo equals aquarium. I like aquariums where you can pet the stingrays. Those are the good ones. Dude, I'm just really don't want all my dreams to be a crush because I'm really depending on this to change my life and to be with someone I really love. I do understand. I really need to say, no, Fruit Bowl. I do understand, man. I completely understand that. I completely understand that, dude. But I honestly, I don't think it's going to take that long for it to happen. I don't think people could hold out that long. So if it doesn't, like if people do sell off because of that and we go back down, I don't know if we will necessarily see the peak that a lot of people do want to see, but it's not going to like stop the squeeze from happening, man. What did Petey Pete say? I swear Petey Pete said something. I just might have missed it. I don't know. I might have missed it. I just can't believe that somebody on Reddit was positively sharing my video in a good sense. Lucid stay green today. Spider, Claude. I don't know. I wasn't on to see the close for Lucid. Anybody else know if Lucid closed green today? Holding for life-changing monies. Calvillo, absolutely. I have Lucid. Hey, was it green today? Tinted Braden? And Pam, we trust. Oh, yes, Pam. Oh, yes. The dips make the tastiest tendies. They do. Who's going to eat some dry tendies? You want tendies with some dips. How long do you think it could take? It could take a while, guys. I mean, it could take a while, but I have no idea on any timeline, man. Petting stingrays is literally animal abuse. The chemicals in your hands literally destroy the protective slime that protect their skin. Afiq Shakur. No, not these stingrays. These stingrays are they're pet stingrays. They're meant to be pet. They're meant to be petted. It's all right, dude. These stingrays, it's okay. If we can get a nice gamma squeeze that shoots up like 100 to 300, it will build a lot of confidence. That would build a lot of confidence. Yes, want a guarantee that would build a lot of confidence, Luca. And that would lend to FOMO buying as well. People would be very likely to buy in if it started to run like that. I hope you need the money to solve your sort of distance issues and not actually get that person to interest in you. Yes, I would agree with Sam Blow on that one. Do not buy somebody's interest. If there's some distance issues or whatever there. Counselor Murray! Thank you very much for the super chat. Counselor Murray says, I hold 3 years and longer for life-changing money, but the squeeze is near, I believe. Shoot, man, Counselor Murray's ready to go, dude. He ain't even playing. He's holding 3 years or more. Oh, that's a nice, it's a nice candle right there. Holding 3 years or more for the squeeze. I love it, man. He ain't going anywhere. But yeah, I don't know. I think that everybody always says that it's right around the corner, right? I can't sit here and tell you in good faith that it's right around the corner, or that we've got nothing to worry about. It's going to happen tomorrow. It's going to happen next week, and so on. I don't know when it's going to happen, but I do know that the shorts are going to cover. I do know that they have to cover no matter how high the price, and there are certain things that we do know for sure. I just don't know the date. I've held since December. If this goes anniversary, I'll pay less in taxes. Very nice, Cavillo. Counselor, what's up, dude? Happy to see you here and not in incognito mode. Definitely, man. I love it when everybody's here. Tom P, did you see the CBC is trying to find people to interview to hear the story of the apes? No, I did not see that, but they don't really have to try that hard to find me. CNBC, don't overthink it, man. Don't overthink it. I'm right here. I'm right here. You don't have to overthink it. It's true, man. I breed stingrays for the pet trade. Okay. You breed petting stingrays. You breed petting stingrays. Dude, I don't know, but listen, they make you wash your hands, right? You have to wash everything off your hands. So it can't be that bad. Don't make me sad, dude, okay? I really like to pet the stingrays. Just let me pet I don't pet them that much, man. I just want to pet them. If Adam Aaron's soda position has Newfo, I don't think so. I think that everybody's going to be freaking out when he does. So I don't think he has yet. Because I feel like everybody would be freaking out when he does. And I haven't seen anybody freaking out yet. It is to be really close. We are already almost pushing a year. Yeah, we are almost pushing a year already, guys. Think about that. We popped in January, and we're sitting in September. SSR be on tomorrow. We did hit 10% down. Cool Bacon Tron, absolutely. SSR is on tomorrow. There will be no shorting tomorrow unless it is from the best bid of the day. Call Melissa Lee from CNBC. She is the one you need. Yes, she's the one I need, but I don't have her phone number. I can't call her. I don't understand. I don't have her number. We did like $5 today, and Clay is fine with it. CNBC says they need to find people to talk AMC, and that's where we draw the line. New flavor of the day is salty. Salty every day, man. I live salty. Come on, CNBC, get in touch with me. Go spam Melissa's Twitter and tell her to call me. Actually, don't tell her to call me. I probably won't answer the phone. Tell her to just direct message me on Twitter. And then, like, follow me first, and then I'll follow her back, and then direct message me. But just go spam her on Twitter and tell her that I'm here, I'm waiting, and I will gladly talk to her. I'll give her whatever soundbite she wants, dude. I'll bite that sound so hard, she can play that thing for days to come. SSR is crap. Yeah, SSR typically doesn't do too much, man, but at least they can't continue to add a ton of shorting pressure when SSR is in effect. She needs a video to the email she provided, Clay. You just need to submit a video to the email she provided, Clay. Oh, really? That's all you got to do? What is she trying to do? Put together like some sort of a montage? It was shorted tomorrow, my friend. Trust me. No, they will short it tomorrow, but I don't know if they can't short it the same way. So if they've got they can only short it from the best bid tomorrow. Clay, you got to get more loyalty badges. I'm at 3 months now. I'm going all the way to the 24 months one. Let's do it, Luca. Let's do it. I don't know how to add more. I can look at adding more or different ones, I guess. No, it's a yo trend now. 38 was the bottom. Are we heading up now? I sure hope so. Why is Weeble price not moving? Good question, man. It might be minimized. 40.29. Might be frozen. Yeah, I think it was frozen, Nick. Sorry. It was frozen. It's working now. It was just frozen on my screen for some reason. Free hour attendees. Free hour attendees, please. Gotta get rid of... Dude, Alec. Dude, the neckbeard's not going anywhere. Okay? If they don't want to give me an interview because I got a neckbeard, think about that. I'll wear a turtleneck, okay? I will literally go to Goodwill and get a turtleneck. Because, actually, no. I got a couple, like, sweaters. They got, like, a collar on them. I could just wear a sweater with a collar or something. They don't know how cold or warm it is here. What are they going to know the temperature of my house for? I'll just wear a sweater. Or a hoodie. I can wear a hoodie. And then, like, make sure it's fully zipped up. Is Paper Water Flow actually getting banned? Nafis. I don't think so. Are people still talking about that? Please rock the turtleneck. Better yet, get an yes, I can get an ascot. Now that sounds like something I'm interested in. Just with a t-shirt too, man. I'm not even gonna deck it out. I just like wear a t-shirt right here, and I'll get like a nice ascot going, and then that'll be really the thing. Get a Versace turtleneck. Not that pricey. Montre. What's a turtleneck like that run, man? I feel like I've been talking a lot today because I got like a slight sore throat here. Got in late. Mine's 33. Andrew, yo, Clay, what do you think the price went down to due to swing traders? What's happening today? People getting sick? I don't think that it's just swing traders today, man. There was an overall market sell-off today. So I think it had a lot to do with the fact that everything was selling off in the market today and not just swing traders and AMC. $1,000. Oh, yeah, that's not that bad, man, for a turtleneck that I'll wear one time. T-shirt and ascot. Pant. That's what I'm talking about, Alec. That's the style right there, dude. You need a beard lineup, Clay. No, actually, AMC, Army. I'm trying my best. You can see right here. See, like, you can see how it's coming in. You can see how the hair's coming in. I'm trying my best to connect it to the chest hair. Chest hairs, you can see that, but I'm trying my best. And it is connecting. It's just not thick down there. Like, you can see that. I'm gonna connect it, dude. Go for the Austin Powers look. Just like that's where you get your mojo, man. That's where you get your mojo. So I gotta make sure that I get it in thick enough right here that I can just connect it all the way down to the chest, and then we're good to go. Just get a fedora, and they'll all be like, "Oh, this guy's hip. We can trust him." Frank, that does sound like something that people would be interested in. Francesco! Ooh, okay. Clay, so glad to see you doing well and your channel growing. You deserve it, man. Your channel doesn't get enough credit. Love all your info and your straightforward attitude. Keep it up, dude. Francesco, thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. All you got to do to help the channel grow, man, share it with somebody. You got a brother, you got a sister, you got a mom, you got a dad, you got a kid, you got a neighbor. Say, hey, go subscribe to Clay Bros channel. That's sick. Go for it. AMC Army. That's the goal, man. That's the goal. It's not growing in very well. Like, it's kind of long. Like, clearly, you can tell. You can tell that, like, I'm that far off my neck. Like, it's a decent length, but it's not growing in very thick. I got to do something about that. I don't know what to do, but I'm going straight, man. I'm going straight down. Clay Bro, it's sleepy time here. Tom P. Yes, it is, man. It's getting be about, what, 10 p.m.? See you tomorrow. Back to 45 tomorrow. My peanut is telling me that, well, good deal, man. Listen to your peanuts, and hopefully we do go back to $45 tomorrow. And enjoy your evening. Why is your throat sore? AMC Trapper. Very good question, man. I don't know. I don't know if it's because I've been talking or what, but it's a little sore, like right in there. So I was trying to swallow a little bit, but just a little sore. Clay's the best channel, by the way. Old Schoolio. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. It's called the Morpheus Beard. Well, dude, whatever we're calling it, I like it. We just got to go for the biggest, baddest beard that we can. Not like the biggest beard, but just like, just straight covered. Straight covered. No shave till squeeze. J Bones, man, I have to keep it like trimmed up a little bit, man. I trimmed it over the weekend just to keep it like in line. It starts to get a little weird, like right here, man. Then it starts like bushing out a little bit, and I'm like, let's keep it trimmed up a little bit more, and then maybe like slowly we can just make it thicker and thicker and thicker. But I gotta keep it trimmed up, or it starts to feel a little weird, and I'm like, I don't like this. But yes, the goal is like don't shave till squeeze, and then when squeeze comes, I'll just use a straight razor, no hair. And you guys will actually be like, this dude said that he was 32, but he looks like he's about 18. Yeah. No facial hair. Really, really weird, guys. You guys will be like, why are we listening to this kid right now? Keep shaving that spot every day for a month, then it'll go, then give it a week to grow back. Trust me, it'll come in, trust me. Alec, you think, man? The thing is, like, I don't want to ruin it too much. Just gotta get a little thicker, you know. Tom P! Thank you very much for the super chat, and hopefully you enjoy your night. Ooh, that was a weird one. Oh, man, the thing broke. Oh, darn, your thing broke, Tom P. I can't blow on it anymore. Hopefully you enjoy your night, Tom, and you get a good night's rest. And whatever you got going on tomorrow, we'll be back here in the morning. You know we will. You know where to find us. Sorry, needed a sleep song. Well, dude, I'm sorry. I broke it blowing into it. I don't know what happened, but feel your pain, bro. Feel my pain. It's Clay Amish. Nico! No, I'm not Amish. How would I be on the internet if I was Amish, man? Crazy, man. I know. It is crazy. It happens, though. What's up, Clay bros? How you doing, Neil Wolf? Hopefully you're having a good day today. Christopher. Stuff happens, dude. Stuff happens. It's all right. All right. I don't know why it happens, but it does happen. Let's see. We're doing that giveaway. Yeah, that's fine for the rest of the day. We'll see if that keychain makes it to Newfo. Only 150. Oh my gosh, 156 likes, guys. There's 283 of you. Get it to at least 200 likes. Literally, 44 of you can't click the like button right now. I know you can't. I know you can't. You don't even understand how much it helps when you click the like button. It really does help. Take 12 seconds to click it. That's if you're really slow. Hope your day's going good, man. It is going good. I hope your day's going well as well. You blow like you had peanuts in your mouth. Man. See ya! See you, Tom P. Enjoy your night, man. How's After Hours? After Hours, back basically exactly where we closed at. It's 162, 269. What have we got? Let's go. Get as many likes as possible, guys. Don't be shady now. Click the like button. $40. This isn't even ticking right, man. Something's going on with this after hours. We're at $40.29 right now, exactly where we closed the day. Hopefully we continue to bounce and move higher into after hours, but we're exactly where we closed. 40.29 right now. Not terribly exciting, but it's okay. Now 171, let's go, guys. 171, let's go. Let's go 200. 50 will be back this week. Mongaroon. I sure hope so. Hey, Clibro, I have a question. What hair product do you use to get that Santa Cruz wave action going? Gorilla. There is a description in the link below if you want to see what it's called. It's like sexy hair something from Amazon. But then if you don't want to buy it on Amazon, I'm sure you can find it somewhere around you. You can do it. You can do it! Just put your back into it. Is that what you need to do? After Hours Cup. We got an After Hours Cup forming on the chart right now. What do you mean? Does that mean we're going to rip? I hope it does. Do we really have 269 likes? Did you guys get that high? Or is it 269 views? Hey, bro! Best looking YouTuber. A good guy, too. Thank you very much, Casey. I appreciate that. Gorilla Glue. I do own some Gorilla Glue, guys. When Moon, Marky. Soon Moon, Marky. Dig it. Thanks. Gorilla Invictus. What do you dig? I don't even know what you're digging right now, but good. It's Clibro in the Amish Mafia. I'm the leader of the Amish Mafia. All right, Philip, I'm the leader. I hit the like button. Thanks for your help. Thank you, Amandeep Junju. I appreciate you clicking the like button, man. Was that my neck, my back reference? Could have been, dude. Could have been. Nobody knows. Nobody knows what's being referenced on this channel ever. It's way too random. Hey, bro, stupid question because I forgot. But are there halts in after hours? No. So the halts go pre-market, or not. The halts go during the trading day, and from 9:30 to 9:45 in the morning, it's a 20% band from the previous 5 minutes average. Now, at the close of the day, it's the same deal from 3:30 until 4 p.m. It's 20% band from the previous 5 minutes average. The rest of the trading day, it is a 10% band from the previous 5 minutes trading average. So that's how you get a trading halt during the day. If you break that 10 or 20% band, you're going to be halted for 5 minutes. Just a circuit breaker halt. M. James! What's going on, M. James? I watched the show. I watched that show before. Oh, dang, I don't even know what show now. I invested my life into this. I really hope it happens. Fruit Bowl. A lot of people invested all YOLO'd it, man. 100% A-list YouTuber. Christopher Bates. Good deal, man. We talking about me or who are we talking about here? The $60 calls expiring at the end of the year should be cheap and in the money. Well, Vinster, if they're in the money, they're going to be more expensive. But if you're looking to buy $60 calls that expire at the end of the year, I don't know how cheap they are right now, but yeah, I personally think that we could break 60 by the end of the year. Okay, I think we could see another all-time high by the end of the year. So that's just what I think, dude. But I think that's what you're asking. When Forte? We've already got Forte now, man. Forte now. Are you like a bowl holding a variety of fruits to take individually, or are you like a fruit salad? This is a very good question. Fruit Bowl, we need to know, man. You gonna watch the new James Bond movie next month? Yeah, I hope so, M. James. I do. I do want to see that. Can't be promoting Amazon on an AMC stream. Don't you know Bezos has been plotting their downfall all along, and this alien lizards too? Yeah, dude. A lot of people say that, though, don't they? I don't know if Jeff Bezos cares about AMC, to be honest. Holding since January. Let's go. Let's do it, Mongarong. Split the difference and buy 55 calls for end of the year. There you go. You could split the difference and buy 55 calls for the end of the year. You could be doing better with that. I need more than just 60. I need at least 10,000 per share. Okay. Yes. I don't think the 10,000 per share is going to be very easy, but do you actually need 10,000 per share? Like, you've already got it calculated out what you need and it came to $10,000 per share? Because you could be putting a lot of stress on yourself if you think that it needs to go, like, absolutely needs to go to $10,000 per share for some reason. I don't want to see you guys have that sort of stress. How low do you think AMC can go? before hitting support, or overall? I think it could go like really, really low and will go really, really low after the squeeze. But I need more details on your question there. How do you feel about inverse ETFs, daily directional bear? So if you're asking about 3 times leveraged, what do you mean, how do I feel about it? Like, should you get into it during a market crash? Yeah, if you think the market's going to crash, dude, I wouldn't hesitate to buy an inverse ETF. 3 times leveraged, you know you can get into a riskier situation by doing that. But absolutely, man, if you think the market's going to pull back, if you think we're going to see some sort of a correction in the overall market, I would be on board with doing that. I just laughed so hard imagining the talk in your head. Okay, I'm gonna give him so bad news. So in order to offset the bad news, let me hold the slime up in view to make it less bad. I think that might have just been a like subconscious thought there, because I know that I was holding the slime up, but I did not understand that it was happening during bad news. And then it might lessen the bad news a little bit because people are watching slime. So that may be that was probably some subconscious stuff going on there. Hit the like and or send super chat. Spider Claw, thank you very much, man. Hit the like or send super chat. Hit the like and or send super chat would be good. Bro, your price predictions this week for AMC. I'm on deep. We've tested 38. Hopefully we do not retest 38, and we bounce all the way back up to 48. That's what I want to see. I want to see a test of 48 again, but I would love to close above 44. When Kia Carnival Soccer Mom van, I don't even know that van exists, but dude, hopefully soon, because that sounds like a good van. I would love to buy around 36 this week if possible. What do you think? Beard, if we break 38.50, you could be buying at 36. Definitely. If we break 38.50, you could be buying at 36. Clay, I was weak at AMC, was at a discount, so I spoiled myself to more shares. Hodl stacks Ape Nation. I love it, man. Weekend was good. How was your weekend? I'm looking at some inverse ETFs, but I know most of them reset daily and are not meant to be held long term. Well, dude, especially, I don't know, especially inverse ETFs and stuff, I don't think that those are very good long-term plays to begin with, because long-term, the market theoretically always goes up, right? But as far as holding some inverse ETFs, if you think that the market is going to experience a correction or a pullback, you know, it's a riskier play because you're playing to the downside and not just to the upside, like not just preserving your capital at that point. Because, dude, if you're looking at getting into an inverse ETF, especially a 3x leverage ETF, like tomorrow, after a day like today, and we actually bounce or recover tomorrow, dude, if the market goes back up 2% tomorrow, you're looking at a 6-7% loss on your inverse ETF there. So be careful if that's what you're going to go with. But yeah, dude, I wouldn't have any problem playing it to the downside if you think the market's going to continue pulling back. This is our AMC therapy session to get over the pain of today. Derek, it might be, man. It might be. But is anybody actually really in pain after today? I just need at least 1,000. I'll sell half my shares and see what happens. I love it, Luca. Weekend was sweet, golf, beer, and burgers. What more could I ask for? Lemonade. Could ask for some lemonade, maybe some popcorn. To actually be good at golf, maybe. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff that you could have asked for, but it does sound like a very good weekend. Stacks 8. Clayton, this is going into next year. Z-Man Moolah. I think it could go into next year, man. I think it could. I don't see it like guaranteed to happen before the end of the year. But I honestly, I do not know. I do not know a price, or I do not know a date on when AMC is going to squeeze. Thanks for making me feel dumb, Clay. Love you. What do you mean, dude? What do you mean, M. James? Never. You're like the smartest dude in this room right now. They'll cover during the dips like today, so the price doesn't reflect it. Hey, Vinster, they could, but they would have to cover slowly and be willing to do that. Okay? So if you think that they could do that, you are right, man. But they would have to be willing to admit that AMC has the potential to go up. And they would have to be willing to cover slowly during dips like today. Clay, what do you think this can go up to? Have you invested your life in this as well? No, Fruit Bowl. So I am not like overextended into AMC. I still have a diverse portfolio. And I honestly, as far as like potential, AMC's got unlimited potential. The potential or the limit exists only in you and I, and it comes down to our ability to resist the temptation to take profits. If everybody can resist that temptation, the price goes higher. If we fall short, we fall to that temptation, the price gets limited, and that's the peak of the squeeze. So it's got unlimited potential, man, but no, I still have a diverse portfolio, and I'm not 100% in. I did not YOLO into AMC. I probably should have YOLO'd into AMC looking back, but you know what are you going to do, man? You can't sit there and worry about the shoulda, coulda, wouldas. All right, it was 200th like. That makes me feel good after a sad red day. Clownfish, man. Thank you for being the 200th like. I appreciate that. Clay doesn't know when the squeeze is, but if you could search it in YouTube search bar, you can find hundreds of YouTubers that do know. So don't worry that he doesn't. You can find out. Hashtag it's tomorrow. Yes, Sam Blow, this is true. Everybody knows that it's going to happen next week. Everybody knows that it's happening right now. And if it's not happening right now, it's happening tomorrow. So find one of the other YouTubers that does know when it's happening. People can't agree on anything. Paul, that's the difficult part, man. That's the difficult part. I don't know. A lot of people did not watch my video from last night about Divide and Conquer. Go watch it. I think it was only like 8 minutes long, but go watch it. If we start to disagree on every dumb little thing, hedge funds will win. If we stay together, we are guaranteed to win. I was virgin by choice, and not my choice, till 19. Man, I can resist any urges. There you go, Sam. Sam is ready to play. I like it. Sam was just checking if BS was spewed. Clay's a solid dude. Heck yeah. Thank you very much, Z-Man. I appreciate that. How will I know if shorts cover? The short interest? Yes. ZFV. So if short interest goes down to 0 or even is starting to reduce, that means shorts are covering. Somebody disagrees with Paul. Did not see what Paul... Oh, people can't agree on anything. Paul, I disagree. Man, people can't even agree that people don't agree. I thought it happened last week. Newfo! Yeah, a lot of people thought it happened last week. Bro, can you imagine buying into GameStop when it was 5 and rode it up to almost 500? That's what AMC needs to do, but even higher. Yes, Luca. And it did take quite a while for GameStop to go from $5 up to $500, right? $480. But it went there. It was a quicker move from like 17 to the 480 that it went up to. So AMC could absolutely do the exact same thing, but go even higher, man. There's no reason it couldn't. Because my bro, M. James is my bro. What's going on, man? Tired of the clickbait YouTubers, Clay? They are messing with the mind. Hey, they are messing with the minds of potential new apes, man. But they feel like I feel like that's what they did with everybody else, too. They're all like, it's happening this week, it's happening this week, it's happening this week. And people get in, and then it doesn't happen this week, and they want to get back out. They get upset. Aloha Clay from Hawaii. B-Sire, aloha Kako. How are you? Mahalo ho for being here. Gia Jimmy got stopped. If they didn't take the buy button off, it would have gone 1,000. Hey, J-Man, I'm on board with you on that one, man. I would agree with that. If they didn't take the buy button away, I think that there would have been a lot more FOMO buyers jumping in and driving the price even higher. Yeah, man. Free market, huh? It's crazy when you take the buy button away, isn't it? But you got to take the buy button away when the dumb little retail investors don't know what they're doing. And you have to watch out for those dumb little retail investors because you care about them. And you don't care about the shorts losing money. They know what they're doing because they're smart money. But you just have to be careful with those dumb little retail investors and make sure that they don't go out there and lose their money. Let the squeeze happen at the end of the year so we can bring in the new year, swimming in gold coins like Scrooge McDuck. Now that sounds like something I'm interested in. I would actually really, really like to swim around in a big pool of gold coins. Unsubscribe to two of the clickbaiters. Frank, now you're never going to know if it's actually happening tomorrow. Clay, tax question. So if I buy more, my cost average goes up, right? Yes, if you're buying more above your cost. And you pay taxes based on total gains, which is determined by the average. Yes or no? If yes, why not plan to average up always? So it's not necessarily based on your average. It's based on your dollar gain. when you're looking at the taxes. So if you made $1,000, no matter what your cost basis was, if you had one share and you made $1,000, you're gonna get taxed. That $1,000 is gonna get taxed. If you got a ton of shares and you make $1,000, you're gonna get taxed on $1,000. If you average up and you make a 1% gain, but you end up making 10 grand, then you're gonna get taxed on 10. Your 10 grand is gonna get taxed. So it's not necessarily on the cost basis or the percentage gain you have. It's the dollar gain you have, and your dollar gain gets taxed. If we hit 1,000 a share, I'll shave my beard. 10,000, I'll shave my head. I've had both for over a decade. Dang, man. Frank ain't messing around, dude. Frank's going to be a whole new man post-squeeze. Bitcoin started to fall more again. What about like Shiba and Cardano and stuff? Clear, bro. The news Adam Aaron released about streaming NFL games on AMC screens was absolutely awesome. Watching sports on a huge AMC screen with pizza, beer, and wings. What's not to love? Yeah, Sid. I don't know. I don't sit there and particularly get too excited about sporting events coming on, but I know a lot of people do, and that's an excellent way. So apparently you don't have to pay for those tickets. If you got a participating movie theater near you, they want you to buy concessions, right? They want you to buy concessions while you go there. And they probably looked and saw that, well, not that many people go to the movies on Sunday morning. Let's play some NFL games and get some people in here, get them buying popcorn, get them buying drinks, get them buying whatever, and make some money that way. So, yes, it's a very good way for revenue to increase on AMC. Experts based on net gains, losses. Like, say I make $100,000 on AMC, then YOLO it and lose it all. Do I owe taxes on the money I don't even have anymore, or does it wash? So, yeah, Sam, so there's a thing called a wash sale rule that you should look up to when you're on taxes, but it is the net gain. So if you made $100,000 on AMC, and then you're like, BBIG is about to rip, and you went in and you dumped $100,000 on BBIG, thinking that you can turn that $100,000 into $1 million. So let's say you do that, AMC rips tomorrow, and then the next day you dump all $100,000 into BBIG. BBIG goes bankrupt, and you have $0 left. You're going to wash out there. Your gains are going to wash, and you're not going to get taxed because you're not going to have any money. But if you buy AMC and you make money, and then you like buy AMC and lose money and get back into AMC, you got a wash sale rule that you need to worry about, because you can't deduct losses if you get back into the same position within 31 days. Bro, I'm yelling during a football game. I don't care. I'm sure a lot of people are yelling during the football games if they're going to a crowd and watching it with people. Yes, thank you very much, M. James, for helping out on that wash sale rule there. One day AMC and BTC will switch places. Javier, I highly, highly doubt that Bitcoin is going to go down to $40 per share, or per coin. I was wondering about this sports thing. Are you still supposed to not talk? Because imagine a lot of people wouldn't be interested in that. Yeah, I guarantee a lot of people are going to treat it more like a bar situation where they're having conversations and talking and screaming at the game. It's hypothetical in case anyone's worried about my emotional state right now. Yes, this is hypothetical. We don't have Sam worrying about going out and blowing all of his money post-squeeze on any other plays. Why are some states banning BlockFi? That I have no idea. Hopefully accountants will be busy next April. But Derek, I also agree with that. Hopefully everybody is making serious gains on AMC, and we've got a ton of accountants worrying about what taxes to pay. They're not going to be that busy doing it, but hopefully they're not busy like trying to write your entire gain off because you already went out and blew your money and you can't pay your taxes on it. You can avoid your wash sale rule by holding on to one share, I believe. Now, that I do not know. That I do not know. If you can avoid the wash sale rule by holding on to a share. I would just double check that or look into it a little bit more to be more confident with it, because I can't speak on that for sure or not. I think I know where AMC is headed. They're going to be more like a Dave & Buster's with streaming on big screens as a central experience. They might add poker or billiards too. Yeah, Sid, not exactly sure if that's where they're going or not. I feel like movies would be, the main thing, but I find it hard to watch a movie while people are, playing poker and playing pool and stuff. Why hasn't GME dropped to AMC numbers by now? People aren't willing to sell. People aren't willing to sell, Nufo. GameStop did drop back down to $40 per share. After it ran up, it did drop back down to $40 per share. But then I think that's when... Oh, man. What did... Roaring Kitty said something or posted more shares that he bought, and then that day it jumped to 190. Or not 190. It jumped to 90 from 40, and then just continued up and has been chilling around 200, 180, whatever it's at right now, chilling around that level ever since. What's going on with BlockFi? Frank, I do not know. Wait, I won't be able to figure out this tax stuff on TurboTax. Kind of joking, but kind of not. No, you will, Sam. So they'll ask you. So your broker's going to hook you up with all your tax information afterwards. But then if you're trying to do it on TurboTax, you're going to go through the prompts, dude, and it's going to say, did you have any investments? Did you close out any stocks this year? And then you'll click yes, and then it's just going to walk you through. What are your gains? What are your losses? Were they long-term capital gains and so on? So you'll just have to look with your broker and see what your broker gives you as far as what were long-term capital gains and short-term capital gains and your overall profit and loss and stuff, and then just plug it into TurboTax if that's the way you're going to go about it. All crypto is down between 10 and 20% click. Dang, man. What's getting ripped 20% right now? What's getting ripped 20% right now? So when they ask if I invested, I just say no, and then I'm done. Yes. If you are confident that you will not get audited, then you could go ahead and do that. This is not tax advice. This is not even good advice. This is just not take my advice at all. Yes, you could click no, but in the event that you get audited, because your broker is highly likely to send your information into the IRS, then you're going to have to come up with an answer. So at least it'll buy you some time to come up with an answer at that point. It's 5 o'clock for me, and margarita time, baby. Tomorrow is around 2, baby. What? It's 5 o'clock for me, margarita time, baby. Tomorrow's around 2. Matthew, having margaritas at 5 and 2. I like it. Okay, if that sounds like something you're interested in, go for it. AMC is going to squeeze soon. Gold member, I sure hope so. My bank is gonna cops if I try to deposit my AMC gains. Yeah, your bank might call the cops if you try to deposit your AMC gains, but then again, they probably shouldn't, because it'll just be like a wire transfer from a brokerage account, which is legit. If you put $50,000 on BBIG and it 10x, then that's a $500,000. BBIG didn't move much today. Where should I put $50,000? Claude, that sounds like a problem that everybody wants to have, man. Everybody wants that problem. Where should I put my $50,000? Too many to mention that are more than 15. Dang, Crypto Rocketeer. What about Doge and Cardano and Shiba? What are those guys at? Click. Can I put you down as a dependent? DD214. Sure. I have no problem with that. I can't promise that if I'm asked if I'm DD214's dependent, I will say yes. But you can put me down as whatever you want. I don't care. Your emergency contact, it don't matter. I can have if you put me down as your emergency contact, just make sure to use my Twitter, because I'm more likely to look at that than my email. Spider, you should put it in my pocket. Ooh, good answer. Monday is round 1. Monday is round 1. Tomorrow, Tuesday, round 2. Boxing terms. Meh. Gotcha. Monday, round 1. Boxing, round 2. I like it. Tuesday, round 2. Can you pull up Cortex? Gene. No, I don't have Cortex data. Actually. Anybody in Shiba? Is this going to a penny in a year? Z-Man. My dad's got some Shiba, and Carson's got some. There's a couple people in here that got Shiba. They were talking about it yesterday or the day before. No, they were talking about Friday. I think they were talking about it Friday. They got Friday or Thursday. When 50? I hope soon 50. I want to wake up to AMC being 500% tomorrow. Up 500% tomorrow. Make my dreams come true, Clay, bro. Nufo. If I can't make that dream come true, the best that you could do is hope for a keychain in the mail this week. That's the best I would say. The answer to the IRS is Clay told me to. That is a good answer. to the IRS. They're going to say, who is Clay and why did you listen to him? And you're going to say, well, Clay's this YouTuber. And they're going to be like, now I get it. Now I get it. Some guy on YouTube told you to do this and you did it. Yep. Yep. And then they come and ask me, did you tell him to do this? I'd say, listen, I told a lot of people to do a lot of things. I told a lot of people not to do a lot of things. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. You can scroll through the, oh my gosh. If I've got like 400 videos, I wonder how much content I've actually uploaded that they'd have to sort through. Pete! Oh my goodness. Thank you very much, PDP. PDP says, Clay, sold my last puppy and ready to buy a lot of shares. How far will we dip? Looking for a good buy-in. Here's the deal, PDP. We'll look over these levels of support that we've got here, and then we're going to call it a day so everybody can eat dinner. PDP, man, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. Appreciate all the support today, guys. You guys are amazing. So, look, dude, if we pull out here, we can see that 38.50, we touched that today. I'm hoping we continue to bounce off this, okay, and we continue to go higher from here. So, 38.50 may have been a good buy-in. Now, we know that 38.50 was a significant level of support. We can see it back here. Boom, boom, boom. All this area in here. 38.50 was significant. Now, here's the deal, man. If we blow through 38.50, we've got this little bit of support in here at the $37 range. But if we break that, we've got a little support in here at 35, and we may be going back down to the low 30s. So I would, if you want to play it more conservatively and you're not ready just to jump in yet with that puppy money, I would say start to look at, because this is very significant, dude. 38.50, we may have bounced off of it. If we retest it, it may be a good time to buy in if we bounce off of it again. If we do not bounce off of it, look for like 35-ish and potentially back down into the low 30s, man. I don't want to go back down into the low 30s, but I'm not saying that we're guaranteed to go back up from here. 38, we may have to test it a couple times before we see if it holds up or not. We just know that it's pretty significant. And it was able to hold up here, 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 and here again. So keep that in mind. Just and make that kind of your basis. If we're running tomorrow and you want to get in tomorrow, tomorrow might be a decent time to get some positions if we bounced off 38 and you think that we're not going to test 38 again. If you want to see if we test 38, whether we bounce or we fall through, I would say use that as your level to kind of make your judgment and make your decision on. But guys, it is after 5 o'clock. We've been here. 88 Cardano is a good choice. Cardano is probably a good long-term choice. Clay's such a good-hearted dude. Always good to see him. M. James, man. I get my motivation from you. You got a cool backyard, man. You get a cool backyard. It's not even boring. But guys, get your name in the chat right now if you want to shout out. Make sure to click the subscribe button because I know 46% of you guys don't even subscribe to the channel. So make sure to click that subscribe button. If you do, we could actually hit 33,000 today. So make sure to click that. And then click the like button, all that good stuff. Test out every one of those links in the description below. They're there for a reason. They make you money. They help the channel, all that good stuff. Claude, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that, Claude. I don't see any chat with it. If you want any shout out or whatever in that, make sure to get that out there before we end the session here. But thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. And absolutely, PDP, I got you. Hopefully, I'm not trying to blow your answer off or anything by saying, look at here. I can't tell you exactly when to buy, blah, blah, blah. But keep an eye on 38.50 and see what happens if you're not ready to just jump all in right now or jump all in the morning. Hold on, Clay. Brian, thank you very much. Shout out to Bailey, Chloe, and Autumn. Bailey, Chloe, and Autumn. Shout out to you guys. Absolutely. Who else we have? PDP, shout out to you. Brian, shout out to you. Matthew, PDP, Crypto Rocketeer. Shiba 50% 8. Woo! Shiba's down a lot right now. Marquise, yo, Clay, bro, man, we are leaving. Hopefully you have a wonderful evening. Enjoy your dinner, all that good stuff. We will be back tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Oh, my gosh. Brian, shout out to yourself for keeping it real. Thank you very much. Brian. Are we back? Are we back? Dude, Brian just shouted my camera out. Thank you very much, Brian. I appreciate that. And shout out to myself. From myself. Shout me out. Shout out to you, Brian. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. Crypto Rocketeer, boom, dabbing on him. Frodo, shout out to you. AMC Trapper, that is always dope. Shout out to Clay's good heart. M. James, shout out to your good heart, man. Your good, healthy heart. Shout out to everybody out there with a good heart. What's up, Clipper? How are you? Legendary. I'm doing good, and I'm leaving, so hopefully that's okay. Man, Brian, thank you very much for the end of the day super chat there. I like that. Shout out. Keith, man. Cassie got them diamond-handed apes. JB's got them diamond-handed apes. Sid, have a great dinner, Clay, bro. Bring us back some dinner. I would love to bring you guys back some dinner. Feels like a zoo in here. Yes, it does. I want to rip so bad. Me too, Alex. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Go enjoy your dinner. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Video at 8 p.m. Eastern time, so do the math on when that is for you. But Eastern time, 8 p.m. You'll have a new video out tonight if you want to go be the first to like it. It's getting kind of, I don't know, kind of heated in there. I've seen JB a couple times. I've seen Nick F a couple times, and SD have been a couple times as the very first to leave a comment and click the like button. So if you're into competition and you want to be one of the first, JB, Nick F, and SD are kind of the group leaders right now. They've all got about 2 wins out there, and they're all calling each other out too. So 8 p.m., be ready for it. Click the like button, leave a comment, whatever you got to do. And John, Brian, Jason, J-Man, Pancakes, shout out to you off the Chili's. See ya. Brian, have a good time at Chili's, man. Baby back, baby back, baby. Chili's, baby back ribs. Yes, man, go enjoy some ribs or whatever you get at Chili's. Pray for Gabby, absolutely, Mr. Doity. I would agree with that one. Pringleton. Well, Gabby's family, I guess. But shout out to all of you, absolutely. Matthew, shout out to you. Guys, you know what time it is. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.